Are you ready to add custom HTML to your WordPress page or post? Whether you want to tweak your site's design, add unique features, or just gain more control, knowing how to work with HTML in WordPress is an essential skill. Today, I'll show you exactly how to do it quickly and easily. First, open your web browser and go to wordpress.com. Once the site loads, log into your account. You can log in directly or use your Google account for a faster login experience. After logging in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard, the central hub where all the magic happens. Next, look at the right panel under Quick Links and click on Edit Site. This will take you to the site editor where you can customize pages and posts. From here, navigate to the page or post you want to edit. At the top right, you'll see an icon with 3 dots or lines. Click it to open additional options. In the Options menu, select Code Editor. This switches your view from the visual editor to a text-based editor, giving you full control over your HTML. Now you can start adding or editing HTML code directly on your page. This is where you can inject custom snippets, adjust styles, change layouts, or even add functionality that standard widgets don't offer. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to save your work. This ensures your edits appear correctly on your site. And just like that, your WordPress page is now enhanced with your custom HTML. Adding HTML to WordPress opens up a world of possibilities, letting you fully personalize your website exactly how you want. With these simple steps, you can start creating dynamic, custom elements that make your site stand out. Thanks for watching and happy coding.